Hi everyone, welcome to Switch and Win. We are waiting for a few more participants to join in and then we will begin in a few minutes.
Yes, sure. Hi.
Recording in progress.
All right, so we are good to start and we will be waiting a couple of more minutes for one more participant to join in. Meanwhile, I'll request all of you to please turn your cameras on as we have this rule that you can only participate when your cameras are on. So would request you to please quickly turn your cameras on. Great. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. So, welcome and good evening to all of you. Welcome to the grand finale of the month, March. And we are here to have the finale round of Switch and Win. And I'm pretty sure you all must be excited to win great prizes today through this particular quiz, right? Before
Yes.
we begin, I would quickly like to summarize what exactly this quiz is and how this works. And then I'll let you guys introduce yourself one by one. Yeah. So let's first of all take a moment and appreciate the effort that you all must have made to reach to the finale. So good job, everyone. A uh, good job done, and congratulations to all the finalists that we have today. Right. Each month we
Yes.
have this challenge where everyone can participate and can go through some amazing and tough questions related to networking, where they can challenge themselves, they can showcase their skills, and can win rewards out of it. So every month we conduct this quiz, which is broken down into three levels, where we have the first level, which is the qualifying round for the level number two. In this month, somewhere around 600 participants participated in the level one. Then we got some few lucky winners and some network engineers who were able to showcase their knowledge with the questions that were given and qualified to the level two. From there, again, we gave them some more questions, and then we got the top eight finalists who could qualify for the finale round. Out of those eight, we have got the top six here in the session today, where I'm going to ask some more questions, some more interesting knowledge will be shared here for you all. And out of these six, there are going to be three winners, the first, second, and third. And then also we will be having something for the remaining ones which have qualified to be in the top 10 list, right? So I'll explain more about how this begins and how it works, but quickly want to know from all of you, how was your experience through these levels? Did you find the questions interesting? Do you have some suggestion, or do you want to share something, anything? So we can start from you, Mr. Neerav. You can tell us about yourself and how was your experience in the quiz.
Hi, thank you very much to give us such kind of initiative because it's a very good experience for us.
That's
And as a network engineer, it's enthusiastic to learn new things. And level is very good. Level one, all contents are clear, means basic MCQ types. But level two, some difficulty level is increased as per the level wise. So it's quite good experience from my end.
glad to
It's
see
very
you
good.
here, Neerav, by the way. So those who don't know, Neerav is also one of my participants in
Yes.
trainings. Yeah, so that's great. And next we have Mr. Alam Khan.
Yeah, hey, hi, all of you. My name is Alam Khan. So I have a network engineer over the 5 to 6 years of experience as a different sector like routing, switching, and firewall and SD-WAN technology. So I have good challenges in this session and to improve also like my different tasks, and I have to given to like PyNet Labs to given like these sessions to we improve ourselves, and we have to knowledge to gain and to different types of question we have to scenario we learn, and we have so interact with like question, and we have to imagine like we have to thought, and we have to analyze which is correct answer and which is we have to best given to our like our knowledge and experience,
Yeah,
and to more glad to that like the types of introduced to us like that.
great. Thank you. Thank you, Alam. Then we
Thank you.
have Mr. Ankit Kumar with us. Hi, Ankit.
Yeah, hi Chirag, hi everyone. Good evening. So first of all, thanks to PyNet Lab for organizing such quiz contact. So yeah, I really liked it. The first and second round was good, and I enjoyed while participating in the quiz. So just looking for this one, and yeah, finger crossed.
Yeah, all the best. Cool. Next we have Mr. Rajiv Agarwal.
Hello all. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah,
I'm also working as a network specialist, and I have almost 6 years of experience. And about the quiz challenge, I believe the quiz was good. I mean, the questions were a bit intermediate to hard, so it was a good combination of questions. So yeah, the quiz was like the selection of questions was good.
okay, that's great. Perfect. Thank you, Rajiv. Then we have Mr. Rajiv Sharma with us.
Good evening, everyone.
Hi, good
It
evening.
was a great experience to attending the level one and level two quiz, and questions are very interesting and up to the mark of a industry level. My name is Rajiv Sharma. I'm a network engineer in routing and switching domain, and I have an experience of around 6 years in routing and switching support.
Great, perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Rajiv. Then we are waiting for one more member who is Mr. Arun. Let's see if he joins in a few minutes. Meanwhile, we can quickly understand what we are going to compete for. So, again, congratulations to all the top 6 finalists who have participated and have saved their position here in the finale round, right? Okay, we have Mr. Arun here, so we'll quickly speak to Mr. Arun, then we shall continue. Hi, Arun.
Yeah, hello, good evening,
Good
all.
evening.
Arun, I am Arun here, and thank you, Chirag sir, to organize this such type of organization. Actually, I participate past two uh, quiz, but I can't get due to some
Okay.
technical issue. I can't record now in this quiz. I have here to all of you. So thank you, sir.
Great, great. So like I was saying earlier, this quiz is a monthly quiz. So even if you don't somehow qualify for the finale round or maybe not able to participate for some reasons, in the previous conducted quizzes, then you still have got many chances. You can compete in the April month, right? So again, let me quickly help you understand how this quiz works, as we have got all our participants here. So I'll quickly again tell you how this quiz works, and then we shall move towards another set of questions where we understand who is going to be the top winner of this March month, right? Like I said, this quiz happens every month, and we have got these 6 finalists from the month of March. I would quickly like to name them. We have got Mr. Arun with us. We have got Mr. Alam. Then we have Ankit, Nirav, Rajiv Agarwal, and Rajiv Sharma. These are the top 6 finalists which are going to compete today for some more prizes and to secure their position as first, second, and third. Then we also have got 2 more participants who really competed well and were almost near to qualify for the finalist round. But they will also win something today. I would like to name them as well. We have got Sanjana and Anushka as another 2 participants who are winning today from this particular quiz. They couldn't make it to the finale round, but like I said, we do give prizes to the top 10 participants, so they have secured their place in the top 10 list. Then what are the prizes now? Let's understand. The prize pool is amazing. The rewards are amazing. The person who secures the first position today will get a 10,000 rupees cash reward. Along with that, 30% discount on PyNet Labs courses up to 10,000 rupees off, as well as a free access to CCNA 200-301, Azure Fundamentals course, and CEH version 12. That's the first prize. We'll find out who wins that today. Then we also have something for the second position, which is a 7,000 rupees cash reward, 20% discount on PyNet Labs courses, and then free access to CCNA 200-301, Azure Fundamentals, and CEH version 12. Then the third prize is 3,000 rupees cash rewards, 10% discount on PyNet Labs courses, and free access to the CCNA course, Azure Fundamentals course, and CEH version 12. Then for the people who will secure the position 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, we do have prizes for them as well, which is the free access to all the 3 courses which I mentioned. CCNA 200-301, Azure Fundamentals, as well as CEH version 12. So let's begin the final round. Are you guys excited? Let me quickly know.
Yes.
Very
Yeah.
slowly you have said
Yes,
yes. I
yes.
don't think you are excited. Give me a
Yes.
cheerful
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
I
Yes,
have
we
one
are.
query. I have one query. How's the
Very
quiz
excited.
going on? Means it's first in, first out wise we have to,
I'll
or
explain. I'll explain that.
okay.
So we have a question. How is this quiz going to happen in this finale round? I'll be reading a question and I'll give you a timeout of 3, 2, 1, after which you have to raise your hand in the chat box. Now, how do you raise the hand? You can put any emoji. Okay. So whosoever, let's say, enters the emoji first in the chat, I'll give them the chance to try first. For example, let's say I read some question. My question is, what is the full form of CCNA? Then I'll read out some options. During this time, you don't have to react. Okay. You have to wait. I'll read out the options. I'll give you 4 options, option A, B, C, and D. And then I'll give you the timeout 3, 2, 1. After which you have to post your message in the text box. Whosoever will post it first, I'll give them the chance to answer first. If they do it correctly, that's great. They'll get the point. If they don't, if they make a mistake, we'll move to the next person. And then so on, we can continue with the procedure. Are we good with this?
So first we
Yes.
need to means give the emoji, then we have to paste into the chat box, right?
No, not like
Same.
that.
Okay.
Whenever I read a question, I read out options. I'll give you some time. I'll say 3, 2, 1 to let you process the question and understand it. I'll give you some time and then I'll do this 3, 2, 1 countdown. After that, you have to put the emoji in the chat. You can raise your hand in the chat basically. Like this.
Okay.
I have done it in the chat box. So whosoever will raise it first, I'll give them the chance to give the answer first, right? Are we good?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, got
We
it.
can give here also, right? Same kind, or it's not eligible here.
Nirav, actually, that misinterprets sometimes, and I will not be able to understand who did it first. So it's better to do it in the chat.
Okay.
Shall we proceed now?
Yeah. So
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll just.
Can I give the okay because I have not seen
Yeah,
images,
yeah,
so I
anything,
can.
anything. That's fine.
Okay, okay, thanks.
Awesome. So we are clear with the rules. We are good to start. Let's begin the Q&A round and let's figure out who wins the first, second, and third prize. Here we go with the first question of the evening. So the question is, if weight of two paths learned from different neighbors within the same autonomous system are equal, then which of the following attributes will be evaluated next in BGP best path selection algorithm? Option number A, local preference. Option B, shortest AS path. Option C, origin type. Option D, multi-exit discriminator. I have pasted the question and the options in the chat, and I would request you to raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. We got the first hand from Mr. Ankit. Hi, Ankit.
Yeah, hi, Chirag.
Yes, please let us know what do you think is the right answer.
Okay, so I think the option A, local preference, would be the right one.
Option A, the local preference. Perfect. That's very correct. It is local preference that we
Sorry,
consider.
but here in chat mentions earlier, na? Here in chat mentions earlier, so it not accepted.
What
I
means
have
that?
already given. Here in chat, I already mentioned earlier.
See,
No, I
I
think
gave you the question, then I gave you the timer countdown 3, 2, 1, and after that I requested you to raise your hands, and I can see it is from Mr. Ankit, which is the first hand.
Before that, I okay.
But before I give you the timeout or the countdown, which I say 3, 2, 1, you don't have to react, okay? No worries. We still have got many more questions, Nirav, so you can maybe try again. Yeah, that's correct. We have got the correct answer, local preference, from Mr. Ankit. Ankit, would you like to explain a bit more how these algorithms works and what all attributes are there? Maybe any two or three which you remember.
so like I'm not totally sure about BGP. So yeah, this is quite new for me, but still I just guessed by reading the questions.
Okay,
So,
cool. So we have the first attribute as weight, and after weight, what do we look at? We look at the local preference, right?
local preference,
yeah.
yes, for
Great.
incoming.
Cool. So guys, get ready again. I'll read the question. I'll give you the countdown 3, 2, 1. Then you have to react, right? So here is the question number 2. Be very attentive and listen to it very carefully. The question is, a network engineer is troubleshooting OSPF adjacency which is stuck in Xstart or exchange state. Which of the following is most likely cause? First option, a mismatch of hello interval between the neighbors. Option number B, a mismatch of dead interval between the neighbors. Option number C, a mismatch of MTU. Or option number D, incorrect router IDs configured on OSPF routers. Please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. After my 3 to 1, I have got the reply from Arun, which is okay. So I would request you, Arun, to let us know what is the correct answer.
Sir, the correct answer, I think it says option C, MTU mismatch, sir.
Perfect. That's correct. We have the right answer as MTU. A mismatch of MTU puts the neighborship state of two routers into either Xstart or Exchange. So Arun, would you like to talk about the neighborship states which OSPF router goes through?
Actually, sir, I don't have too much idea, but when I do troubleshoot, then I I listen it's a issue face when the OSPF mismatch. That's why I remember the things.
Okay, no worries. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you for trying, and you gave the correct answer. You get the point there. Perfect. So we'll move to the third question. Again, I am repeating the rules, how you are supposed to react. I saw that some of you tried reacting earlier. There is no use of giving a hand raise or any message in the chat box until and unless I don't say 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I will only consider the replies which are after the countdown. So wait for it. When I say 3, 2, 1, then only raise your hand in the chat, right? Also, please try not to give answer in the chat. Third question which we have got is, which of the following is a key characteristic of link state routing protocol? First option, they send their entire routing table to neighbors periodically. They calculate the best path on the basis of hop count. Each router maintains a complete map of network topology. Or option number D, they react very slowly to the network changes. Please raise your hands in 3, 2. Perfect. We got it first from Mr. Rajiv Agarwal. Yes, Rajiv, what do you think is the correct answer?
Ask like three.
Yeah, the option is third one. Each router has the complete topology of the neighbors. So,
Perfect. And how do they do this? Like, what table do they maintain? What messages do they
so,
exchange? Anything you would like to mention?
so let's take example of OSPF. So OSPF maintains. I mean, they exchange LSU. Sorry, they maintain LSDB table, and in that we have. Uh, Sorry, I am forgetting the term here, but they maintain, each router maintains the LSDB table, and that has the information of the complete route.
No worries, that's correct. So they maintain the table called LSDB in which they store the information about all the network links which are there in the topology, right?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. All right, get ready again. We are here for the question number 4. What is the function of next hop resolution protocol in DMVPN network? First option, it is used to encrypt the packets. Option number B, to establish permanent tunnels between the routers. Option number C, to dynamically discover the IP address of routers. Or option number D, to manage the routing update within the VPN. Please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. We got it from Alam Khan first. Yes, Alam.
Yeah, this is established permanent tunnel between the all sides.
Sorry, can you be a little loud, please?
Option number B.
Option number B, which is to establish permanent tunnels between sites.
Between all sides, yes.
Okay, I am afraid to tell you that's not the correct one. So we'll give the chance now to Ankit Kumar. Yes, Ankit. Ankit, you are on mute if you are speaking.
And one more thing, option number
Yeah,
D
sorry.
also.
Yeah, sorry. So like I was saying, to option C, to dynamically discover the real IP address of spoke routers.
Perfect. And which protocol do we use NHRP in?
I don't know. Like this is my
DMVPN, right?
DMVPN. Yeah.
Can you explain it a little bit? What is DMVPN? How it works?
Yeah. So like we maintain some sort of tunnels with the help of DMVPN between hub and spoke sites, and yeah. So just I have the basic understanding of DMVPN and some sort like I try to guess this answer, to be frank.
Oh, cool. No worries. All right, so here we have the question number 5, and guys, be a little more active. I want all of you to get the chance to answer your questions, right? Question number 5 is simpler one, so be ready to answer. which OSPF area type does not allow the advertisement of external routes, which are type 5 LSAs, but do allow inter-area routes and intra-area routes? Option A, standard area. Option B, not so stubby area. Option C, totally stubby area. Option D, stub area. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Yes, Alam.
Yeah, this is stub area.
It will be stub area, which is option number D. Very correct. So in stub area, we don't allow the type 3, the external LSAs, which are type 5 LSAs. But do we allow type 3 LSA in stub area?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say I don't want to allow type 3 LSAs also. So what do you think? Which special area can I configure?
This is standard area, I think.
That's not right. Anyone else can answer this? Let's say I don't want type 3 LSA in my area and type 5 LSA in my area. So what shall I configure? Yes, Rajiv. I mean, this is not for a point, to be very clear. Alam has won the point. This is just a random question. So yeah.
It's a totally stubby area, and totally stubby area, we also filter the LSA3 type for the other areas.
Perfect. That's totally stubby area, which will basically block the exchange of type 3 LSAs as well. All right, let's go to the next one. Question number 6. Which of the file format are Ansible playbooks written in? XML, YAML, JSON, or Python? Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Yes, Arun.
Yes, sir. It's a multiple answer, or sir, it's a one option.
You have to take one answer here out of the available options.
It's a one answer is sir, and YML is sir a level 2. A level 2 write playbook in Ansible. It's option B, sir.
Right, that's correct. When we talk about playbooks, they are written in the language YAML. Here we go on the next one. In Ansible, again, we have an automation related question. In Ansible, what is... Guys, be on mute, please. Yep, thank you. So I was saying the next question is, in Ansible, what is an inventory file used for? Option A, defining the automation task. Option B, specifying the managed nodes. Option C, storing confidential or sensitive information. Option D, defining reusable automation logic. Please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Yes. So after the countdown, we have got it first from Ankit. Ankit, would you like to answer this?
Yeah. So for this question, I think the answer is A, defining the automation task.
Oh, that's not correct. We have next Mr. Arun. Yes, Arun.
Yes, sir. It's specifying the managed nodes, sir.
Perfect. That's the correct option. When we talk about inventory files, it is used for specifying the managed nodes. Arun, can you tell us what is managed node?
Managed, it means, sir, actually I purchased the course from PyNet Labs. It's DevNet. That's why I remember some points, sir.
All right. So managed nodes are basically the network devices that we configure or manage with the help of Ansible. So we term them as managed nodes. All right. So let's move to the next one. Which Python library is commonly used for making HTTP requests? Option A, OS library. Option B, request library. Option C, system library. Option D, NetMiko. Please raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Yes, Ankit.
Sir,
okay. Yeah. So for HTTP request, this is request library, B.
Very correct. So for
Okay.
HTTP request, we use the library called request. And can you talk a little more, like with what devices do we use this library, or where do we use HTTP requests in the networking scenarios?
Well, I remember like there are a few libraries, Netmiko, Paramiko, which are used in for the automation. But to get some sort of request, I would say from some servers hosted, we use a kind of HTTP. Maybe I don't know, to be honest more about it, but yeah,
So
that's
basically the GUI based devices where we find a GUI to manage them.
okay.
We can
Yeah.
use a request library and can create requests for some configuration or fetching out some details from the device and so on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, here we are to the 9th question. If you haven't got the chance, please try to be quick and get your answers correct so that maybe you can get the chance of winning the prize today, right? Question number 9 is, which HTTP status code typically indicates a successful GET request? Option A 200, option B 404, option C 500, or option D 301. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1.
Sir, may I?
I wish I could give you the chance, but it is Mr. Ankit again who raised the hand first. So, yes, Ankit.
Yeah, so Chirag, I think this is for the option is A, 200.
Perfect. The option number A is the correct answer, which represents a successful GET request. Ankit, do you know what are other status codes representing, or maybe what do they do?
Yeah, so 200 is for okay, and that's I remember, and 404 is for error, right? And yeah, these are two I can recall right now after seeing the options, and yeah, the rest, yeah, I need to check.
So basically, anything that is there from the range 200 means it's a success. So whatever you were trying, you have executed that successfully. That's something which is going to replicate a 200 series status code. Then 404 page not found. You might have you might be able to recall by that. So 404 is the problem in the request, a client error. Then 500 is a server error, and 301 means that resources are getting redirected. So that's how we categorize them. Anything that is from the range 200 to 299, that's representing success. From 300, it is redirection. From 400, it is the client error. From 500, it is the server error. And from 100, it is the informational replies. All right, so we are here to the final question. Are you guys ready? This can be the decision maker. Yeah. So be very active. Which protocol is commonly used as the overlay fabric in Cisco SG Access? Option number A, VXLAN. Option number B, GRE. Option number C, IPsec. Or option number D, Lisp. Raise your hands in 3, 2, 1. Ankit?
Again, sir?
Yeah, so Chirag, I think the option is Lisp, if I'm not wrong.
You are actually not right there. Yes, I
okay.
got the chance. Next.
I was confused between A and D.
Yes, Arun, you are the next one.
It's a sir IPsec.
Okay, that's also not correct. Yes, Alam, what do you think?
This is VXLAN.
Perfect. That's VXLAN which we use with Cisco SG Access. And that brings us to the end of the 10 questions. Good job, everyone. You participated really well and made the competition very healthy and successful. So good job. Congratulations to all of you for, first of all, making it to the finale and showcasing yourself as a good competitor and as a challenger itself, right? So thank you so much for participating. We have got the results. We have Mr. Ankit Kumar as our first winner today. So congratulations to you, Mr. Ankit. You have won a 10,000 rupees cash reward. You have won 30% discount on PyNet Labs courses and free access to CCNA 200-301 as your fundamentals as well as CEH version 12. Then the second position is secured by Mr. Arun Kumar. Arun, congratulations to you as well. You have won a
Thank
7,000
you.
rupees cash reward, 20% discount on PyNet Labs courses, and free access to CCNA as your fundamentals and CEH version 12 course.
Thank you, sir. May I have one request, sir? Can
Yes.
you modify this? Can you modify this quiz mode because many of participants raise the hand but can't get a chance to give an answer due to some technical issues, just like internet slow connectivity.
Yes,
This
this
type
is
of.
the issue at my
Actually,
end. I already given answer, but they told that prior basis. So I have
Yes,
also I have not emoji at my end, so I cannot
It's okay.
raise
I
my
mean,
hand. This
you
is
can
major
put up
problem.
anything
yes,
first of all in the text box. It's not. It doesn't has to be a hand raise emoji only. It can be anything. Secondly, it's basically to judge who is raising the hand first. That's the reason why I ask you to put it in the chat so that I can know who placed the answer first, right? Who raised the hand first or who was ready first. Now, if you have got some network issues, that's unluck for you. I can't help, right? You
sir.
need to do
Actually,
better.
there was a
Otherwise, we can do it.
millisecond timing issues.
Yes,
We are
otherwise we
just
can do
raising
it
the hand
one
simultaneously.
test, one test, and given to six selected persons, like level three, and on this basis, time base 10 minutes, we can select the multiple choice questions. So anyone can select it. Here, anyone can give answers. Here, my end, there is no emoji. I have already given few questions answers, but there is not
Like I
to
see,
consider.
I told you guys, it's not. It doesn't has to be emoji. It can be anything. But yeah, I have taken the feedback, guys. No worries. We'll try to make it more better. We are also learning with you, so we'll try making it more better so that all the other participants and you also can get a better clarity and a good learning experience from these quiz, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. So let me now announce the third winner. We have got Mr. Alam Khan as our third winner today, who is going to win a 3,000 rupees cash reward, 10% discount on PyNet Labs courses, and free access to CCNA 200-301 as your fundamentals and CEH version 12. And that's not all. We have got something for the remaining ones also. For you, Mr. Rajiv Agarwal, for Mr. Rajiv Sharma, as well as Mr. Neerav Acharya. We have got the free access to all the three courses, CCNA 200-301 as your fundamentals and CEH version 12. And also for the people who have secured the position number 7th and 8th, which is which is Anushka and I'll just check the name again. Yeah, Sanjana and Anushka. So you guys have also got the free access to these three courses. Lastly, my team from PyNet Labs will be reaching out to you for letting you know how you can claim your prizes. And thank you so much. I hope you really enjoyed the journey of starting from the level 1, then qualifying to level 2, and then getting securing your place in the finale round, right? So we have got
Yes, we have.
finalists. Yeah.
No, yeah, we have really enjoyed the final like last round, and so it's big challenges to like which is raised hand like first like that whoever chances to answer.
Yeah, that's make it interesting as well, right? So again, I want to thank each and every one of you who have participated today, and also those who are cheering for the finalists in the YouTube chat box. So thank you so much, everyone, for supporting this event. And now the
Yeah.
finalist of March month, the winner of March month, is going to compete with all the grand finalists in January 2026, which is going to be the uh, finale of the finalists, right? So from every month, there is going to be a winner who is going to compete later in the January 2026. At that time, we'll find some more experiences, some more amazing prizes, and more winners, and more people who can contribute to our community, right? So thank you so much again. If you are liking these kind of events, if you're liking what we are doing, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. And drop a comment if you participated in the quiz this month, or maybe if you are planning to participate in the coming months. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next month quiz. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, Chirag.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.